Here's how I made over $430,000 worth of sweat equity in this one single family home. Back in the day when I started real estate, you guys, 1991, this is one of the early 10 properties I bought when I just started getting some money. This is one of the 10. Today, I want to show you guys basically how much I paid for this, what did I do to it, and what am I doing to this property here from this point forward. And you're gonna see why owning real estate is so powerful. I'm gonna show you how I bought this property, what it's worth today, and hopefully I inspire you guys to start parking your money in rental property yourself. Okay, so before we go inside and look at the property, I'm gonna show you what I did to update this property. I'm gonna break down what I spent to remodel this house, okay? But before we go in there, let me tell you a little bit about how it all started. So I graduated from college in 1991. I was 21 years old. I didn't want to go off to college, fix an airplane with my brother. So I went into real estate as a realtor. My first 3 years, I was sitting around doing nothing, okay, as a realtor. I was working at a grocery store, parking car, valet, at a Chinese restaurant, and working at a body shop. I made really barely any money, and I lived in my mom and dad's house. I started as a realtor in 1991, and my first, 3 years, I barely made any money. I made maybe 1 or 2 sales a year. That don't even count, okay? And then I started picking up some steam, and I started out there making some money. I didn't make a lot of money back then, but my mentor Saul said to me, you be rich if you sell real estate, but you want to be wealthy, you want to own real estate. So anytime you have enough money, buy yourself some rental. Then he also asked me, how many property do you want to actually own, right, to actually retire and having a passive income? And I calculated, I needed about 15 property paid off, and I get about 15, 20 grand a month for the rest of my life. And so my goal was to actually get, my first 10 property locked down. And in 1997, I bought my first one. This right here, property I'm standing at, this is one of my first 10 property I bought, you guys, okay? And this property, okay, I barely had enough money. I put down 5% to buy this property. I didn't have a lot of money, okay? So I scraped everything I can to buy this property because my goal was to buy 10 property. I didn't worry about paying them off yet. I just wanted to accumulate, just buy them first. So I bought this in 2005, you guys, okay, for $224,000. So come on in. And I put down 5% on the deal. So not a lot of money, okay? So I turned it into a rental from day one, and then the renters have been living here the whole time. They just moved out, and we got the crew coming in here and basically remodel the whole house. I'm gonna show you some pictures of what it looked like when they moved out, okay? These are all new floors. So what we did was, you guys, we remodeled. We put all new floors, brand new paint job, all new trim. This is the original fireplace. I didn't want to do anything with this. I wanted to leave it original, so I didn't do anything. So I repainted the house, put all new trim, right? This was a light fixture that was put in back then, so we left it alone, okay? And we had a whole brand new kitchen. All new LV floor, all new cabinet, all new appliances, all new countertops, all new backsplash, faucet, everything, okay? A new refrigerator. Let me come in here. These floors we replaced when we first bought it, so it was still workable, so we left it alone. We put all new tile backsplash in for the bathroom, okay? And these sinks we put in a couple years ago, so we left it alone, nothing wrong with it, okay? These are the original doors, we left them alone, okay? And then all these bedrooms, basically, these are all repainted, original doors, everything is fine, we left it alone, okay? Let me show you downstairs what I did downstairs. So this is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath upstairs. Let me show you what I did downstairs. All right, before I go downstairs and show what I did downstairs, when I bought this house, it was a 2-bedroom, 1 bath, okay? And the only thing that was downstairs was a wash and dry area and the furnace and the hot water tank, right? A concrete floor. The renter moved out, and I know that I can get more rent if I actually finish up the basement. So basically for me, you guys, I know that if I want my ARV to spike, I would finish the basement up and make more bedroom and bathroom, okay? This is how you spike it. So remember, how you add value in real estate is by adding value and forcing value. Adding value, remodel what's already existing, which was the upstairs. Forcing value is this, come on down. Forcing value is adding more bedroom and bathroom when it doesn't exist yet. So all this was already here, but all these bedrooms, there's 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, and this wash and dry room was used to sit right here. So we basically framed it out, plumbed it, put French drain in, put heater and everything, and we added 2 more bedroom and a bath and a wash and dry room down here. Now this house has double the square foot and 4 bedroom, 2 bath, and this is how you actually force value. And by doing this now, when I ever comp this is a 4 bedroom, 2 bath. I bought it a 2 bedroom, 1 bath. So you're gonna see here, all LVP floor, 2 bedroom, 1 bath, okay? All new tile downstairs, cabinet, countertop, all new, basically bathroom, all new subway tile, okay? We did all this work, okay, for about $45,000. $45,000, okay? There's a lot of things I didn't do because it's still workable. So I did all this for $45,000. So basically, I paid $224,000 for the house back in 2005. And I put 45. So basically I'm all in for like $269,000, call it 270 for this whole entire house, okay? This is my all-in number. So you wanna guess how much I can sell this property for today? If I were to sell this house today, I can easily sell this for $700,000, okay? That means I made over $400,000 plus, like $430,000 plus with the sweat equity of this one house. Now, some of you might watch it and go, well, of course, you bought this property in 2005. Of course, you should be able to make that much money. But listen, how many of you watching there now this video, and it's been 20 years already gone by your life, and have you bought a rental property yourself? And if you did buy a rental property, how many properties did you buy in the last 20 years? This is only one of the over 200 some property I own around Seattle, from single family, multi-family to apartment building. But the moral of the story is this. When I bought it in 2005, I didn't have a lot of money. I was stretching my money to buy this property. I just had 5% down, okay? Barely had enough money, but I sacrificed because my goal was to actually get like 10 to 15 property bought and paid off, okay? So I can live off the cash flow. So 20 years ago, 2005, right? This was market value. I didn't look at this like, oh my God, I need to get a deal. No, it was a decent deal back then, right? And I bought it. Today, I look back, it was $700,000. I put 45 into it. I look like a genius. It's paid off by the renter, and I put some extra money down to pay it off. Now I just collect the cash flow. I'm gonna rent this house out for like probably anywhere between 32 and 3,500 bucks right now, okay? Just got done. So this is just one of the many houses that I own that just collected rent. So if you're watching this video, I wanna say to you, okay, it's a long game, okay? Go out there and make your money from active income, whatever active income you make. If you make an average amount, you are producing millions of dollars a year, live a good life. But if you're smart, take some of that money and just park it in a stock or park it in rental property. Because 10, 20 years from now, right, when you get older, you get into the 50 like me, you're gonna run out of energy, you're gonna have less motivation, you're gonna be working, you're gonna be able to spend time with your grandkids, and you're not gonna wanna work that much. Then the question is, what are you doing for income? And what kind of net worth do you have then? Today, I have over $100,000 a month in passive income, and all my property ain't even paid off. Once it's all paid off, I'm gonna have over $250,000 a month in passive income. I have $100 million worth of real estate today. If I wanna cash in, I can have all that money, but I don't wanna cash in. I just live off the cash flow. And this is only now. In the next 20 years, I have over $1 billion in real estate, folks. I'll be a billionaire by then. But I'm not working for it. It's just money to just keep growing and growing and growing. But it all started with planting one seed. This is one of the 10 seeds I planted back then that got me started. So for you guys, go out there and work, make your money. Take some of the money, park it in real estate. Because 20 years from now, okay, when you look back, you're gonna own 10, 20, 30 property, and that thing has grown over to millions and millions, and now it's paid down, paid off. You're gonna be sitting real good in your 50. So be smart, set yourself up early, make your money, enjoy yourself, set it up so that 20 years from now, you guys can actually have even a better life. All right, that's a wrap for this video. If you guys enjoy a little bit of a history of myself, how I got started in real estate, what I had to do to get some of these property, give me a thumbs up. If you have any question about this video, okay? How I bought the property and how I found the property, right? And all that kind of stuff, right? Just anything, leave it in the comment, okay? We also want to hit 1 million subscribers by the end of this year, you guys. I appreciate all you guys who subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, right, hit that subscribe button for me, okay? If you guys want to see any other video you want me to make, leave it in the comment, all right? But until then, you guys, I will see you all in the next video. Peace out.